Okay, tip number 5, how to secure your Zoom meetings. A recent article in the Wall Street Journal discussed something called Zoom bombing, where random people will hijack your meeting and post pernicious things. And they recommend doing 3 things. 1, don't use your personal meeting ID. 2, always use a meeting passcode and then give that to your students. And then 3, turn on the waiting room, so that you have to admit the attendees. So how do we do this? If we go into our profile and click meetings, we can actually edit the meeting we already created. I can scroll down to the very bottom and edit it. And then in here, I can make sure that this little button here is checked instead of this one. I can click this, type in a password, and then this is the important one, enable the waiting room. This will allow you to admit people as they come in a Zoom meeting. If you click Manage Participants, as the students join, their names will pop up here and you will have to click a button to let them in. This actually helps me take attendance. I can check their names off as they come, and I don't get lost in the sea of names. Now the 4th thing you might want to do, if you have students that are maybe drawing on your screen or annotating on your screen, you go into your settings. So let me back out of this. Go into your settings, and you're going to have to scroll a bit until you see the annotation feature. And you can go ahead, and if it's blue, that means kids are allowed to annotate on the screen. If you disable it, that should remove their ability to annotate on your screen. So there's a few other options in here you might want to take a look at, putting students on hold, how you want to handle your videos, whether you want yours to start automatically or if you want the students to begin with their cameras on or off. That's really up to you. But if you take these 4 steps, it should make your Zoom experience much safer for you and the students. Okay? Good luck and thank you.